Hey buddy, welcome to Wizard.com. My name is Shubhadeep Chaudhary and I'm your maths tutor. So let's begin. According to the question, we have been given 3 figures and we have to find out what will be the next figure. So in this type of questions, we have to find a pattern, and once we get the pattern of the question, we can easily find out the answer. So let's see. The first figure has let's draw the first figure. So this is our first figure. So first figure has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's write number of sides equals 5. Now let's draw the second figure. So the second figure which we have has number of sides equals 6. Similarly, the third figure which we have, let's see the figure first. Okay. So the figure is somewhat of this type: 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So as you can see, number of sides of this figure is equal 7. So it's quite obvious that the next figure is going to have 8 sides. So first figure having 5 sides, second 6, third 7, and then the fourth figure will have n sides. So figure number 4, this is figure number 2, this is figure number 3, and let's draw the figure number 4. So 1, 2, 3 sides, 4 sides, 5 sides, 6 sides, 7th side and 8th side. So this is an octagon having octagon means that number of sides equals 8. So let's write it within a pair of parentheses. So number of sides equals 8, and thus this will be our final required answer. So that's it. Thank you and have a great day.